Have you ever looked at your nails and noticed those vertical ridges running from the base to the tip? Maybe you thought they were just a natural part of aging and nothing to worry about. But what if I told you that these ridges could be a sign of hidden health issues? That's right. Your nails act like tiny windows into your body's internal health, revealing important clues about what's happening inside. In today's discussion, we'll uncover the real reasons behind vertical ridges on your nails and, more importantly, how you can fix them naturally. From nutritional deficiencies to stress, digestive problems, and even hormonal imbalances, several surprising factors can contribute to this issue. We'll go through 6 major causes and provide practical steps to help restore your nail health and overall well-being. Let's dive in. You won't want to miss this valuable information. 1. Anemia. One of the most common causes of deep vertical ridges in nails is anemia, often due to a deficiency in iron or vitamin B12. These 2 essential nutrients play a critical role in the production of healthy red blood cells, which transport oxygen to the nail matrix, the area responsible for nail growth. When oxygen supply is insufficient, nails can become weak, brittle, and ridged. In severe cases, iron deficiency can lead to spoon-shaped nails, a condition known as koilonychia. Iron helps in forming hemoglobin, the oxygen-carrying protein in red blood cells, while vitamin B12 supports nerve function and red blood cell production. A lack of either nutrient can disrupt keratin formation, leading to visible nail changes. This issue is particularly common among women, especially during menstruation or pregnancy, when the body requires more iron. Vegetarians and vegans are also at risk, as plant-based diets often lack sufficient B12 and heme iron. Addressing anemia through iron-rich foods, B12 supplementation, or dietary adjustments can significantly improve nail texture and strength. 2. Challenges of a plant-based diet. Vegans and vegetarians often face unique challenges in maintaining healthy nails due to the lack of certain key nutrients in their diets. Unlike heme iron found in animal products, which the body absorbs easily, non-heme iron from plant sources is harder to absorb. Similarly, vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal-based foods such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, making it difficult for plant-based eaters to get enough. A deficiency in these nutrients can lead to anemia, fatigue, and visible nail abnormalities. Over time, inadequate iron and B12 levels disrupt the nail matrix, slowing keratin production and causing brittleness. While plant-based eaters can get non-heme iron from sources like lentils, spinach, and fortified cereals, absorption is often hindered by compounds like phytates in grains and legumes. Pairing iron-rich foods with vitamin C can boost absorption. For B12, fortified foods and supplements are essential since plant sources like seaweed and fermented foods don't provide reliable amounts. Regular blood tests can help monitor levels and ensure proper supplementation. 3. Digestive problems and poor nutrient absorption. Your digestive system plays a crucial role in absorbing the nutrients needed for nail health. If you suffer from conditions like acid reflux, bloating, irritable bowel syndrome, or gut inflammation, your body's ability to absorb essential vitamins and minerals, such as iron, calcium, B12, and folate, can be compromised. This can lead to weak, brittle nails with pronounced ridges. Low stomach acid, in particular, can prevent the proper breakdown of food, making it harder for the body to extract necessary nutrients. Additionally, gut inflammation caused by conditions like celiac disease can block nutrient absorption. Over time, these deficiencies manifest as ridged or discolored nails. To improve nutrient absorption, focus on gut health. Consuming apple cider vinegar before meals can enhance stomach acid production. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi help restore a healthy gut microbiome, improving digestion. Digestive enzyme supplements containing betaine HCl and bile salts can also be beneficial for those with persistent digestive issues. 4. Thyroid dysfunction. The thyroid gland plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism, including the growth and maintenance of nails. When the thyroid is underactive, nail growth slows, and the nails become brittle with deep vertical ridges. Hypothyroidism can also lead to reduced circulation, depriving the nail matrix of the oxygen and nutrients it needs. This, combined with the body's inability to efficiently use iron and vitamin B12, can worsen nail abnormalities. Other common symptoms of thyroid dysfunction include fatigue, weight gain, dry skin, hair thinning, and cold sensitivity. If you suspect thyroid issues, a blood test measuring TSH, T3, and T4 levels can provide insights. Managing thyroid health may involve medication, dietary changes, and supplementation with iodine, selenium, and zinc-rich foods such as seafood, nuts, and whole grains. 5. Chronic stress and high cortisol levels. Long-term stress increases cortisol levels, which can weaken the nails by depleting essential nutrients like biotin. High cortisol levels also slow down circulation, reducing oxygen and nutrient supply to the nail matrix. This results in brittle nails with pronounced ridges. Stress also negatively impacts digestion and nutrient absorption, further contributing to deficiencies. Managing chronic stress through meditation, yoga, and exercise can help. Adaptogenic herbs like ashwagandha or rhodiola rosea may also help regulate the stress response. 6. Nail biting and physical trauma. Nail biting is a common habit, often triggered by stress or anxiety. This compulsive behavior physically damages the nail bed, leading to vertical ridges, splitting, and uneven growth. Repeated biting weakens the nail structure and reduces blood circulation to the nail matrix, slowing keratin production. To break the habit, try keeping your nails trimmed, using bitter-tasting nail coatings, or wearing gloves. Identifying triggers, such as stress or boredom, and replacing nail biting with alternative coping mechanisms can also help. Natural solutions for healthier nails. If you're struggling with nail health, consider incorporating these essential nutrients into your routine. Cod liver oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, and vitamin D, it reduces inflammation and nourishes nails. Digestive enzymes help improve nutrient absorption, especially for those with digestive issues. Biotin enhances keratin production, improving nail thickness and durability. Zinc supports cell growth and repair, essential for healthy nail development. Before starting any new supplements, consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions. Your nails are more than just a cosmetic feature, they're a reflection of your inner health. By understanding the causes of vertical ridges and taking proactive steps, you can restore strong, healthy nails and improve your overall well-being.